guys, welcome back to another video. And today, another championship tayo. So last week, we played Chancellor's Cup Plate Champions tayo. And this week naman, Urban Football. So, it's the last match day. I'll play for two teams. So first, second division sa Red Alpha. Currently, we're top 1. Pero more games pa, so let's see if we can hold that. And then next, after the second division, I'll play in the first division for Akash FC, and we're, I think, in the middle. So pwede pang habulin. Let's see if we can make it 2 championships tonight, like this one. So let's see. So and I'll try to get some footage of the games, but maybe depende busy. Walang taga-video today, so we'll try to get some footage in, pero most likely I'll just show the vlog na lang na papuntayan, maybe the awarding if ever. So yan, last championship, and then maybe after this maybe I'll rest muna sa football. Let's see. Maybe more into coaching muna tayo. Pero yeah, focus tayo today. 7 aside. 2 championships. Let's go.
MVP Maxwell.
Ay, sayang.